Pradesh. Sir, our members...
Is it a point of order? What is the point?
Yes, the point of order is that the business was not allowed to be conducted and the government disrupted it. And what we want to register today, that unless and until that issue is agreed to, that it will be taken up at serial number 1. And let the House discuss and decide. This is an injustice being done to the state, and members, we have not seen that the ruling party disrupting the House, cabinet ministers disrupting the House. If the government itself is not interested, and what message are we sending to the state of Andhra Pradesh? We want this issue to be settled. If that is not to be taken up, I'm afraid then the government business, we are not in a position. First, we will have to discuss Andhra. We are not coming in the way of our other colleagues raising zero-hour matters, but we are registering it very firmly. It is for the government to consider and the chair to decide. Otherwise, sir, this has no sanctity then. All our members were there. This situation was entirely the creation of the government. What issue is, there's a package for the state of Andhra Pradesh. Members have a right to raise. And there was this bill for the implementation of the package. This government has neither implemented the package nor allows the members even to take it up in the House.
No, please.
So we need an assurance that it will be taken up next Friday at serial number 1.
No, next Friday is a resolutions day. It can
So
only...
then when we will,
No, it can
so
only
we'll have
be...
to make an exception.
No, it can only be taken up the next day allotted for bills. No, I am saying the rule only. Yes. You see, ask... No. No, allow me. Let me clarify it. Let me clarify it. See, I am not standing in your way. Let me clarify it. No, let me clarify it. That's all. I am only saying that private members' business cannot be taken next Friday. It can only be taken on 5th August because our procedure is alternate days, bills and resolutions. Therefore, next Friday it cannot be in any case taken up. It will be on 5th August. That is all. That is all a clarification. Yeah. So if all of you
May I add to what Mr. Sharma said? Just a minute, please. Sir, may I add to what Mr. Sharma said? Sir, ये डिसरप्शन किस बहाने पर हुआ? किसी दूसरे हाउस के सदस्य को निष्कासित करने या अरेस्ट करने की मांग पर लेकर हुआ, जो हमारा jurisdiction ही नहीं था.
No, the point is
not the jurisdiction of this house.
See,
so it was not any valid reason, but it was a reason
Chaturvedi ji,
to disrupt the house.
Chaturvedi ji,
allow the business to run.
Chaturvedi ji, see, chair cannot go into the rationale of this disruption or that disruption. If disruption is from this side or that side, and if the chair cannot conduct the house smoothly, chair will adjourn. What can chair can do? What can the chair do? You settle between yourself. No, you settle between yourself. Chair can only adjourn if the house cannot be.
So what is how can we be assured after we have made our submission to you, sir, that this matter, injustice was done, will be taken up? The government is even today silent. That day they all were shouting vociferously to disrupt the house. And today they have suddenly lost their voice. The kind of conduct that we saw.
In any case, chair cannot give any assurance. Chair cannot give any assurance. Because chair do not know who will disrupt and who will not disrupt.
Allow the government business to be taken up.
Okay, you made your point. Now let me go back to 0 hour. Let me go.
At 2 o'clock. We will take up this matter again at 2 o'clock.
Okay, you can take up any time. Okay. Now then let me 0 with 0 hour. Let me proceed with 0 hour. 0 hour. Yeah. Yeah, please. I allowed him. Yeah, no. While I allowed him. Before you, I called him. No, after him. I allowed him, after him. I will allow, after him, I will allow you. Now, please.
सर मेरा एक बात इशू ऐसा है प्रिविलेज मोशन का कि दो ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स जो बहुत सीनियर भी है और बहुत एक्सपीरियंस भी है, मैं इनकी इज्जत भी करता हूं, लेकिन जिस तरीके से इन्होंने हमारे मिनिस्टर के साथ बिहेव बाहर किया, तो मैं उसके लिए ये कहूंगा या तो ये माफी मांगे या फिर प्रिविलेज कमेटी
No, let me, no, sit down. No, I allowed him, sit down. No, nothing else is on record. Mr. Raji, I allowed him. No, please sit down. No, please, Anand Sharma, please. Anand Sharma ji, ask them to sit down. I allowed him. Let me listen to him.
मेरी बात
Let me listen to him.
Complete, no, sir.
Mr. Ji, sit down.
सर
I allowed him. No, I allowed him. Sit down.
सर
I allowed him. Let me listen to him.
सर मेरी बात खत्म होने दो, फिर बात कर लेंगे अपनी। देखिए इन दोनों मिनिस्टर भी रह चुके हैं और इनको मालूम है कि प्रिविलेज है मिनिस्टर को किसी भी हाउस में बात करने का और किसी भी कर सकता है।
नहीं, पहले मेंबर बाद में मिनिस्टर, पहले मेंबर बाद में।
वो आपका बात रही है, वो बिटवीन चेयर एंड मिनिस्टर था, वो तो चेयरमैन और मिनिस्टर के साथ था, तो आपने अलाउ नहीं किया, तो वो कहते रहे अलाउ करो हमें बोलने के लिए, और हमने कोई बिल के लिए तो उन्होंने कह रहे थे कि बिल मत रोको, उन्होंने कोई ऐसा लफ्ज नहीं कहा जो उन्होंने बिल रोकने के लिए कहा हो। उन्होंने कहा मुझे बात करने का हक है, मुझे बात करने दो। नहीं,
No, address the chair. No, look here.
मेरी बात सुन लीजिए।
Address it. No, don't argue with them. Please tell me what you have to say. Don't argue with them.
वो क्योंकि हाउस एडजर्न हो गया था, इसलिए वो अपनी बात कहना चाहते थे, तो पर इनको क्या हक था कि उसकी बाहर जाके इतनी बेइज्जती की जाए ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर।
Okay.
मैं कहता हूँ
All right, I understood. Regarding this, Now, regarding this matter, let me complete this. Regarding the matter raised here, already you have written a letter. A letter has been received by the Honorable Chairman, and the Honorable Chairman is seized to the matter. He will call the concerned parties and if necessary leaders and sort it out. Yeah, please.
Yes, so that the record is clear about it. And we want to know, sir, ministers have every right to go to this house or that house, to intervene in the government discussions, to introduce bills, to participate in a discussion or debate. That is known thing. But can a minister who is not a member of this house raise a matter during 0 hour or raise any issue? No, please. Please, sir, it's not a question of quarrel. आप सुन लीजिए, can a minister who is not a member of this house have the same privilege as members of this august house to raise any matter?
I'll
This
tell you.
is what we want to know.
No, please,
If-
I'll tell you.
If you think that this is permitted,
I'll tell you. No, please.
and also about a person who is a member of the other house.
No, please.
So
I'll tell you.
both the minister and the concerned member against whom she was raising, both are members of Lok Sabha. This is Rajya Sabha. So this
Listen,
was a
see,
valid
the
objection
point
from
is-
our side,
No.
and then to disrupt the
Let me
house for
see.
the whole day.
Let,
Mr. Dhindsa has just
no, that
raised
subject,
an issue.
I already dealt with that.
Sir, I am one of the 2 members against whom the Honorable Minister has written a letter to the Honorable
No,
Chairman.
that I told you,
Sir,
Honorable
let me
Chairman
say
will
here-
call all
let
of
me
you.
say here, let me say here, there was no altercation outside the house. The argument took place in the house. Point number 1. Point number 2, sir, all that was said, 1 minute, sir, because lots of statements are being made. And I have kept quiet scrupulously, but I want to use this opportunity of saying what was told to her. 3 things. 1, that she is an honorable minister and honorable ministers are expected to behave with certain dignity. Number two, action against the erring member of parliament of the Lok Sabha is for the Speaker of the Lok Sabha and the government to take. How can members of the Rajya Sabha be expected to take any action? Point number three, that this was a deliberate attempt to scuttle the private member's bill on Andhra Pradesh. These were the only, sir, these were the only 3 points that were said.
Okay.
Only 3 points that
All
were
right.
said, and the minister has flown into a huff,
All right, all right.
says that she's been insulted,
okay.
goes to the media,
Okay,
so
I'll give
goes
you.
to the media,
Now, okay. Now,
broadcasts
0 hour is
in the entire
waiting.
country.
Please.
It's very unfair, sir. It's very unfair.
Privilege? No. 0 hour is waiting. 0 hour is
For
waiting.
those of, no, 1 minute. Sir, for those of us who are giving notices as per the rules, I don't mind if they discuss for 15 minutes. That is your discussion, sir.
Yeah.
No problem. Everyone
yeah.
expressed.
Now you have
But
to
for
go to
us,
0
no.
hour.
I've given a notice on time.
0 hour.
No. I've
Then-
given a 267 notice. 267 notice has been received. Please check it, sir. 267 notice.
Yeah.
It's an important issue. Now at least you have allowed everyone to discuss the other important issues. But what happened to my 267? The 267 notice here, which is given here, sir, it is trend of disregarding the
It is not allowed, that is the point.
Trend of disregarding the constitution and rising protests across the country.
Yeah.
Sir, this is the most serious issue because this is not only about one state or two states. This is happening across the country, sir, and this
No,
goes against the
it
basic...
is not allowed.
No, sir, I have given you the notice.
Yeah.
Allow me, you have not even allowed me a chance to speak. You can discuss the other issues, I have no problem. Someone had a privilege, someone is...
Okay, you say about the notice.
Sir, the decision, because this is going against, if you look, sir, shall protect them from social injustice and all forms of exploitation.
Yeah.
Sir, we are coming from after Parliament closed, some MPs went to particular places in the country. Sir, this is a serious issue. We need to stop everything else we are doing, sir. We have not even discussed the notice. Sir, you haven't even mentioned this notice. Kuch to boliye, sir.
I did not mention because it is not allowed. But
Sir,
since
but
you
the
want to
notice
raise, I am
is
leaving it. Yeah.
Sir, the notice is received.
Eh?
Days in and days out, the rights of the Dalits, the minorities and other backward classes are being curtailed and curbed.
On
And
this-
atrocities are going on unabated. It is a direct disregard to the constitution and this should be discussed.
Anyhow-
The government has set up NIA.
Okay.
Government has set up NIA to curb the anti-national activities. These are also anti-national
I am coming.
activities.
Okay.
These are also anti-national
All right.
activities.
Anyhow,
These are also to
267.
be curbed by the government.
Now, 267
And
notice by
government
Derek
must
O'Brien
stop
is not
Government
allowed.
must
If you
stop
want a
this
discussion,
that
you can
what action
give notice
the government
under
is
other
going to
rules.
initiate
267
in
is not
different
allowed.
parts of the country.
Your subject is
That
important,
atrocities
but not
against
allowed.
the
Now,
scheduled
Subramanian Reddy, what is your point of order? What is your point of order?
Sir,
What is your point of order?
my point about what I want to tell, as per the Constitution of India,
Under what rule?
under 32, I would like to say, that under that rule, it is the prerogative of the every member.
Yeah, you tell.
Please wait, I said.
Yeah, please. Subramanian Reddy.
Please wait.
Subramanian Reddy.
Always
Are you address me, Subramanian Reddy? You talk to me. Why do you worry? Subramanian Reddy, you talk to me if you want.
Sir, I would like to say, as per the Constitution of India,
I will allow you. Wait. I will allow you after this. Yeah. Now, you speak if you want. Otherwise,
as per the Constitution of India, it is the right of every member of Parliament to have the private members' business bill.
Okay, that is over, right?
Wait,
The rule is- that subject is over.
No, since 20
That-
years.
that is
we haven't
subject is
started
over.
private member business.
that subject is over. No, I already, Sukandar Sekhar Roy ji, I already said the 267 notice is not
One
allowed.
line, sir.
I already said.
One line, sir.
He explained the subject.
Only one line.
Okay, one line, all right.
Only one line.
Yeah.
Through you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Through you, sir. I am making a humble submission to the government that let the Honorable Prime Minister come to this house and make a statement on the growing incidents of the atrocities upon the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and Dalits. And how the government
All right.
is going to tackle the situation.
That is-
That is to be explained.
That is your request, no problem. Now 0 hour submission, Sri Rita Brata Banerjee. Rita Brata Banerjee, 0 hour submission. 0 hour submission. 0 hour submission. ये chairman बुलाएगा आप बैठिए. 0 hour submission. Rita Brata Banerjee, please. Rita Brata Banerjee. Yes, say loud. Speak loud. Speak loud.
Sir, on 2015,
Yeah. Please, I can hear, that is enough.
sir, in March 2015, in this house,
Arey, you speak, I can hear. What do you want? You speak, I can hear.
Sir, in the month of March 2015, the 119th constitutional amendment that was taken up unanimous in this house and also in the other house. Now we have deliberated at length. Now in this house,
Don't do politics over this. This is not about some election which is coming 6 months.
Arey, zero over. Zero over. I am on zero over. I am on zero over. Sit down.
People are leaving their homes. They are starting from doing the profession. Their grandfathers were doing a profession. They cannot bulldoze.
Arey, Baba, this is zero over. You sit down.
नहीं टाइम फिर बोलेंगे कैसे?
Why are you doing this? What is the problem? Now please, Derek O'Brien ji. Now, Ms. Raj, Derek O'Brien ji. No, Congress. No, that is over. That subject is over. That chairman is calling. I have already given ruling that honorable chairman is no, I am not allowing. No. Chairman is, I have already said chairman is seized on the matter. I cannot now deal with that. Derek O'Brien. Now, this, are you finished?
No, sir. How can I?
Why not? If you want, you speak. I told you.
Speak, sir.
If you cannot speak, you sit down. Vishwambardan, you must understand.
Sir, you must.
Who prevent you in speaking? You speak, I can hear. What are you talking?
Sir, in 2015, month of March, the 119th constitutional amendment that was taken up. Now this house, August House, has deliberated at length about the condition of the Indians who were living in the enclaves, but they were not Indian citizens even after 69 years of independence. So last November, sir, after the historic treaty concerning enclaves, last November, sir, after the historic treaty concerning enclaves between India and Bangladesh, these people moved to the mainland.
What is your problem? Now, what is your problem, please? It is 0 hour submission. If you have another version tomorrow, you can bring your notice.
Notice.
Yeah. No, please. No. I am. See. No. That matter is over. Sit down. Now, I am already on 0 hour. Now, Sri Derek O'Brien. Now, please, Derek O'Brien ji. See, honorable members. See, I crave your indulgence. I agree. The matter raised by that honorable may be something which you don't agree. But in this house, every member has a right to speak what they want. Whether one agrees or one do not agree, that's a different. So, no, it is zero. No, it is zero. Now, please, it is zero. It is zero. Now, please, it is 0 hour notice permitted by honorable chairman. If you have a complaint, you can meet the honorable chairman and inform him. I have no problem with that. No. But not allowing the member is... you are shouting slogans so that he cannot speak.
Sir, not at all. Let him raise the slogan, no problem. Sir, that's our issue also.
Then what is your problem?
My problem? One second. Sir, There is no problem. We do not want to get in, fall into the of stopping any member. If anyone can raise any issue, that's not an issue. The issue is a bigger issue, sir. We had a discussion last week. Those were the words which were expressed. But after everybody expressed, there has been no response from the Prime Minister, because we have gone there. We've all had a look. This is not about one state. I am not singling out, sir, I'm not singling out one state. I am not singling out one state. Across the country, there seems to be a trend.
You made your
where
point, now
our
you
basic
sit down.
constitution
You have
will
others
be
to
in
say.
trouble. It's
You
not
made your
about
point.
But
Now
sir,
Yeah.
and
Now you
getting
please
a
allow
sense-
others.
No, I'm
No,
getting a
please.
sense.
It is unfair. You
should
made your
somebody-
point.
Why should somebody then try and stop
You
a
made your
discussion on a
point.
serious issue?
Now please sit
Because
down.
this is not about election coming in 5
Derek
months.
ji, you are my friend, sit down. You made your point. Now, Naresh ji, I will allow you. What is Naresh ji, your problem? What is your problem?
नेताओं की बैठक में इनकी जो नोटिस थी उसको छुपाया गया। इसको छुपाया गया। उस नोटिस को छुपाया गया। जब हम लोग नेताओं की बैठक हुई,
अरे तुम नहीं छुपाया, वो लोग छुपाया।
कोई 267 की नोटिस है।
You have none.
ये नेताओं की बैठक को छुपाया गया। श्रीमती पहली बार छुपाया गया। दलितों का मैटर था, जानबूझ के छुपाया गया। इसको न संसदीय कार्य मंत्री ने कहा, न किसी ने कहा। नहीं, हम सब कहते हैं कि
तुमने नहीं छुपाया।
उधर से छुपाया गया। ये हम लोगों से नहीं कहा गया 267 का कोई नोटिस है। श्रीमती कहा गया।
ठीक से तो सुनो जो बोल रहा है।
267 का नोटिस जानबूझ के छुपाया गया, क्योंकि दलितों का मैटर था, इस बार छुपाया गया। और मैं चाहूंगा दलितों पर चर्चा हो, एक बार होना चाहिए दलितों पर चर्चा, जिससे कि सब चीजों को आए।
एक नोटिस हमने भी दिया था 267।
Okay. Now let me come. No, that is no. Dalit discussion was already over. Why do you want one more discussion? We had already discussion on Dalit issue. We had already discussion. पहला discussion था, फिर क्या है?
मेरी बात का जवाब नहीं आया।
Renaka ji, that is with the honorable chairman. I cannot now listen to. That is already with the honorable chairman. That subject is, so I cannot allow that. No. I cannot allow that. Because honorable chairman is seized of the matter, so I cannot allow that. No. Now, Vishwambar Prasad Nishad. Vishwambar Prasad Nishad.
सभापति महोदय, मैं देश के अतिमहत्वपूर्ण विषय को शून्यकाल में उठाना चाहता हूँ। मानव देश में एक विशेष गंभीर बीमारी के बारे में कहना चाहता हूँ। आज देश में कैंसर के कहर के कारण जन सामान्य को विकट स्थिति का सामना करना पड़ रहा है। 1 करोड़ कैंसर के मरीजों के इलाज के लिए सिर्फ 2000 डॉक्टर तथा 10 लाख आबादी के पीछे एक रेडियोथेरेपी मशीन है। इलाज इतना महंगा है कि गरीब आदमी इलाज नहीं करवा सकता है। आज देश में कैंसर से पीड़ित लोगों की संख्या लगभग 25 लाख है और हर साल इस संख्या में लाखों का इजाफा हो रहा है। कैंसर की चिकित्सा का खर्च 40 से 50 लाख के बीच आता है। देश की जानी मानी हस्तियां अमेरिका में जाकर इलाज करा लेती हैं, बाहर देशों में करा लेती हैं, लेकिन गरीब आदमी इसका शिकार होकर मृत्यु को प्राप्त हो जाता है। कैंसर को बढ़ावा देने वाले तत्व जैसे गुटखा, बीड़ी, शराब, सिगरेट आदि का प्रतिबंध लगना चाहिए। खाद्य वस्तुओं की जांच की ठीक से जांच होनी चाहिए। इसके अलावा पर्याप्त डॉक्टर और दवा का खर्च केंद्र सरकार को और राज्यों को पर्याप्त बजट उपलब्ध कराना चाहिए। मानव, मैं इसके बारे में कहना चाहता हूं कि आज दुनिया में 1 करोड़ 20 लाख लोग कैंसर के मरीज हैं, जिसमें 50% से अधिक विकासशील देशों में है। भारत में हर दिन 8 लाख लोग इस खतरनाक बीमारी से ग्रस्त पाए जाते हैं। किसी भी समय देश में 25 लाख लोग कैंसर से पाए गए हैं। यदि आपको लगता है कि ये एक बुरी खबर है, तो अभी से में 2020 तक विश्व स्तर तक रोगियों की संख्या 2 करोड़ से अधिक हो जाएगी। महोदय, मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, देश में मानक के अनुसार 10 लाख आबादी के पीछे एक रेडियोथेरेपी मशीन है। जैसे बॉम्बे में टाटा मेमोरियल अस्पताल है, ऐसे प्रत्येक राज्य में ऐसे अस्पताल प्रत्येक राजधानी में खोले जाने चाहिए। मैं बधाई देता हूं उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री अखिलेश यादव जी को। उन्होंने तमाम कैंसर के मरीजों को बॉम्बे और दूसरे अस्पतालों में सरकारी खर्चे देकर के इलाज कराने का काम किया है। मानवर एक मैं और विशेष बताना चाहता हूं, ब्रेड में कैंसर है, जिसका हम अभी उल्लेख किया। ये रिपोर्ट सेंटर ऑफ साइंस एंड इन्वायरमेंट CSE की जांच के सामने आई है कि ब्रेड में कैंसर पैदा करने वाले तत्व पाए गए हैं। CSE की जांच के अनुसार ब्रेड, वन रेडी टू ईट बर्गर और पिज्जा के 38 लोकप्रिय ब्रांड में 80% में पोटेशियम ब्रोमेट और आयोडेट पाया गया है। पोटेशियम ब्रोमेट तत्व कैंसर कारक है, जबकि
Okay, time over. No. Time over. Why? That is the subject I have given ruling. See, no, let me say. By debate. No, by debate. See. No, please. Let me see. No, please. Sit down. I am coming to that. Sit down. See, I have got admitted 0-hour submission number 12. All the members are waiting. Number one. And if somebody wants to raise an issue on a subject which I have already given ruling, how can I allow? That is the problem. You are not given ruling notice then. Not ruling. No, that is not fair. Sri Veer Singh. She has not given notice. Have you given notice? That is what I was saying. That is the subject already with the chair. No.
महोदय, मैं आपके माध्यम से देश में दूध में हो रही मिलावट और गुणवत्ता की तरफ उठाना चाहता हूं। महोदय, भारत दुनिया में सबसे बड़े दूध का उत्पादक देश माना जाता है। वर्ष 2016-17 में देश में दूध में उत्पादक 1463.10 लाख टन रहने तथा प्रति व्यक्ति उपलब्धता 302 ग्राम रहने की संभावना है। इस हिसाब से देश में दुग्ध उत्पादक हाउस ऑर्डर में लागू है।
What is the matter? Give me note. What is the matter? No, there is something.
हाउस ऑर्डर में लाओ।
You go ahead.
पहले हाउस ऑर्डर में लाओ ना।
No.
हाउस ऑर्डर में तो आ जाए।
I can listen. You please continue.
रेणुका जी बोलना चाहती है, बोलने
No, how can? See, she has not given notice, and she wants to talk on a subject which I have given already ruling. That is my worry. Then why don't you inform me what is the subject? Even I don't know.
member has yielded to in favor of Renuka.
Why? That is what I am saying. Honorable Chairman is seized to the matter. So I don't want to discuss it here further. That is the point.
She's on something else. उनका नाम लिया उन्होंने अभी आज, तो उसके बाद
She has a right to reply. She has a right to reply because the right name has been taken.
Now please.
Mr. Jairam Ramesh and Renuka Chaudhary. Jairam has been given the opportunity, at least he has put the record straight.
Okay.
Now she as a member has the
See,
same
that is the
right.
point. I understood now.
She has the same
Okay. Now that is the point. Your name is mentioned, so you want to explain.
what she said.
I take 1 or 2 minutes only. Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir. I very kind of. Sir, I just want to mention, my name has been mentioned on an issue which is factually incorrect, number one. Number two, are we setting a precedence in the Rajya Sabha by taking cognizance of issues which have been, supposedly, allegedly to have taken place after the House has been adjourned? That interruption by the Honorable Minister had dishonorable intentions. 5 crore Andhra people, 5 crore Andhra people were deliberately denied their right for the promise that was made by this government. 5 crore Andhras are sitting there today, sir, with a complete denial of their rights and the special category status that was to be accorded.
No, we will take up the bill again. Why do you worry?
Premeditatively, deliberately disrupted. And now to compound the injury, they are blaming members of this House I am surprised the
Okay,
notice
okay. Now
was
that's
even
okay. That's clear. Now we are seeing.
When
Now
it
we
is
are seeing.
allegedly
Now we are
taken
seeing.
place after
Now we
the
are seeing.
House has adjourned.
Now we are seeing, please. Okay, sit down. Now we are seeing.
महोदय
Now we are seeing. We are seeing.
महोदय मैं आपके माध्यम से
why?
इसमें दूध में हो रही मिलावट और गुणवत्ता की
Why,
तरफ
why?
बढ़ाना चाहता हूँ।
No,
महोदय
let's
भारत
hear
दुनिया
our
में सबसे
country.
बड़ा
जो
दूध
अभी
उत्पादक
तक
देश माना
बात कही
जाता
गई है
है।
उससे एक मिनट वीर सिंह जी एक मिनट
We are seeing.
जो
वर्ष
बात अभी तक
2016-17
कही गई
में।
है
अच्छा।
उससे जो है वो कहीं ना कहीं देश में गलत मैसेज जा रहा है। पहली बात जो ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर
No, no, after-
उनका सर उनका जो है
No, no, listen.
155
No,
से-
Mr.
सर,
Minister.
from 155 to 4.
Mr.
She
Minister.
was on
No,
roster
explain.
duty.
You explain. You listen. Honorable Chairman will call the leaders,
It's all
concerned
right.
parties, and after
But you
that,
given the opportunity.
after that, it
सर
will be.
आपने अपॉर्चुनिटी दी
Statement
है
will
दोनों
come.
मेंबर्स को।
Then I will
और
allow you.
ये नहीं सर तो इसलिए उनकी 1:55 से 4 बजे तक रोस्टर ड्यूटी थी। संसद की सुरक्षा के मुद्दे पर चर्चा चल रही थी क्योंकि वो माननीय सदस्य पंजाब से हैं, उनको उस बारे में कुछ फैक्ट की जानकारी थी। वो चाहती थी कि चेयर उनको 2 मिनट की अनुमति दे।
अनुमति नहीं दिया,
नहीं
इसलिए
दिया
नहीं बोला।
आपने अनुमति नहीं दिया क्योंकि जो कांग्रेस के माननीय सदस्य थे वो उनको डिस्टर्ब कर रहे थे, उनको बोलने नहीं दे रहे थे। अगर उनको केवल 5 मिनट की अनुमति आपके द्वारा दी गई होती और कांग्रेस के सदस्यों द्वारा उनको जो है वो अनुमति दी होती तो ये इशू नहीं होता। इसलिए मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये कोई आंध्रा का इशू है, कोई और चीज है। दूसरा इशू ये कि वो संसद की सुरक्षा और राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा से जुड़े मुद्दे पर चर्चा करना चाहते हैं।
Okay, now sit down. Now the situation is different. Now see, now press. Now please. अरे, रेणुका जी बैठिए. Now the chair itself has to explain the position because that is the position. No, please, the position is that day, yes, no, see, that day the honorable minister stood up and requested that she be allowed to speak. It's correct. No, it is correct. It is correct. And because the house was in pandemonium, I did not allow the minister. I said, let me first introduce the bill. Only after that, I will allow anybody. Because introduction of the bill was the first thing. I said, I will first introduce the bill, allow members to introduce the bill. Then only, after that only, I will allow anybody. So I did not allow the honorable minister. That is correct. She had valid point to make. I know that also. She is from there. I know that also. But the point is, the minister or member, whoever it is, can speak only with the permission of the chair. And I did not allow. Why I did not allow, I am not to explain, but I told the house was in pandemonium. But on a next occasion, if the discussion comes, she will be free to explain. There will be no problem there. Okay, if the now